Ian's with us. We've even got our Callum with us. He wanted to join us today.
We've got boy Wiz.
Yeah. So we're just going for a ride out, see how these new cameras are. I've got the Action 5 on the front of my bike now.
Oh yeah.
We've still got the Action 4s on the helmet. So yeah, let's see how we go.
See how we go.
Yeah, is it going on YouTube?
Wappy. Bloody wappy days. Yes, going on YouTube.
Gingerborn.
Gingerborn. I'm going to go for a coffee at Wymondham Windmill in Leicestershire.
Yeah.
Not far, we've got another 18 minutes to go. Over the potholes.
Oh boy. Okay. It's nice to be out.
It's nice to be out.
Isn't it?
Nice day.
Yeah.
The roads are dry.
Yeah.
Bikes here.
Yeah.
Right, where we're going to park.
Straight up.
We'll go and have a look, shall we?
Yeah.
Disabled parking only. What we're saying?
Get next to that GS there, look. I'll go at the back here.
Now we're at Wymondham Windmill. Stop for coffee and cake. They also do burgers, breakfast, hot food. Lovely as well it is. Lovely. There's a windmill. We'll see if we can go up there in a minute. Have a bit of drink and that. Popular with the bikers. Lovely location in Leicestershire. So, coffee and cake on the way. Get it all up. In a minute. Get these bloody pair. Hey, in a minute. Oh, while waiting, we'll just have a look at some of these bikes. We'll look at these two. Look. Ours. GS tractor, Drive Speed Triple on the Hornet. On the Ducati 749 here. Very nice. So, there's some other bits here. Rutland pottery, ceramics, horse simulator down here. Coffee's arrived. We're in there, look, tea rooms. Which is inside seating. So, anyway, there's tea in a bit. Right, we're going in. We're in. It's all this lot up. I'm going up.
Yeah.
Are you going first or me?
You can go first.
We're up. Well. This lot up. No, pulling bags up. I'm going up again.
Yeah.
Keep out of something. Up again. Grain floor. Grain was stored here before running through chutes to the ground below. Right. Right. Up some more. Mind your head. Now. I'm up. Right, we're near the top. I can't see Mother from here. Up again. Mind your head. Up. Still not at the top. Way up. Up here, last one, look. Way up. Down. Tight. Get over to something. We're up. We're in the dome. No. Mind your head. Go on, stand up there. Job's a good one. Yeah, we're in the top. Jolly good. That's it. We're back down.
Yeah.
So that's where the sails would have come through. Turning this lock. Connected on there somewhere. The gears. And that. And this whole thing would have turned around on that gear there, look. To face the wind. Right, which way do we go down here? Forwards. Christ. So, where is she? About this one, isn't she? Can't see her. Right. There we go. Back on the ground. Oh. Well, we're all the way up in there. Top. Get a better view. Here's our woman. We've warmed up now. Go out there, look. Champion. So you're back on the road. We left here.
Okay.
Right folks, that was Wymondham Windmill.
Yes, nice coffee and cake.
Yeah. Wymondham near Waltham, Leicestershire. Ride to Superbike Factory.
Yes. In the country.
Yeah. Country. Videoing. We might be on telly.
Woo!
You know, if you're waving like a knob, they'll go, edit that bit out. We're not going to be on telly.
Oh, that was cold.
Are you having fun?
Ah! Are you?
Hey?
Yes, thank you.
Oh, ah.
Back on the road again.
Tractor!
Tractor. Ooh, strawberries.
Pick your own nose.
Pick
Triumph gang. White
Yeah.
Street triple.
Yeah, yours.
No, this is mine. Oh, I'm going to waft again. That's the lovely smell of cow shit for the viewers what can't smell it.
Oh God, it's minging.
I used to live on a farm, work on a
Oh
farm.
God, I've got all cold.
I'll beat it. Still smell it.
That smells fishy now. Whoa, stop, you bloody fool.
He didn't even look, did he? Pulled out onto the
No.
road and then looked left. Right then folks, just nipping into factory heads.
Yes.
Bubblegum.
Yes. Starting to turn a bit chilly now, isn't it?
No, but I'm enjoying myself.
Yeah, I am. Happy days.
Happy days.
Yeah. I need a wee.
So it's on to Donington.
Yeah, maybe.
Right, find somewhere to park. Over here, look. Busy here.
It is, isn't it?
Factory heads.
Factory heads, my handies are a bit chilly. Should have put my grapes on.
Yeah. Righto, Seri. Right. Right then folks, hope you've enjoyed this video. Went a bit far again, but you know, still a bit bloody fresh to be honest with you.
It is, it's still...
We're out, you know, we're going out and...
We are?
I've enjoyed myself.
Yes.
But we're going home now. It's that pothole in the middle of there.
Yeah.
We're going home. And we'll have another cup of tea.
Yes. Put the heating on.
So, we'll see you in a bit.
See you on the next one.
Bye now. Bye.
So, if you like the video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.